In this video, we're going to dive into the chart element and trending. Starting from the top right corner, we have this button to hide or unhide the toolbar. Next to it, we have a magnifying glass that opens up a pop window with the graph in case you want to see it in greater detail. This comes quite handy when you have a dashboard full of smaller charts and you want to see one of them more in detail for a moment without changing the overall layout of the whole dashboard. Then we have the Share button and the Help button next to it. The Help button can give you a quick guide on the different features of the chart component if you ever need a reminder. Then we have the cogwheel icon, which opens up a menu of different options. Hide legend, use mini legend, edit axis, edit title or subtitle, more configuration options, or download as image. The lock icon sets the graph in the current fixed position. If it is unlocked, you can zoom in your graph, and you can also move around in the X or Y axis. If you wish to go back to the original zoom level you had, you can click the Undo button. The Add Tag button allows you to search for different tags in news sources, and you can add this to your graph. Next, we have the time period for our graph, and we can change this with the drop-down menu. We can also just write down the time period we want to cover, for example 2W for 2 weeks. Or we can select specific dates with the calendar options. The calendar option is only available when the live mode is not activated. When the live mode is activated, you can select your time period from the drop-down menu. The small cogwheel here is a shortcut to edit the min and max value of your y-axis. At the bottom of the graph, we can see the legend, in which you can see all the tags and values present in the graph. You can change the color of the trend, the line thickness, edit the trend tag, name, description, or units, hide the trend temporarily, or delete it from the chart. We can select different y-axes in the left or right side, the data type, if we display the data as a line, a bar, area, etc., the plot type, if we want to group it by hour, day, month, and we can also select between different group functions.